pickers, and welcome to another video. I have to apologise about not being on here for so long. It's been absolutely mental at work. As you may know, I'm a chef, so this Easter holidays has been absolutely bonkers. I think in 2 days we cooked for over 1,000 people. So bearing in mind that's starters, mains and puddings, so that's a lot of food going out the door, and been rather tired, so yeah, ain't got around to picking much. So I thought rather than you guys think I've fell off the face of the earth, I'll just put a quick video up now. This is the bitting of the key for this funky padlock, which is an old East German padlock. Nice little clunk to it. This comes from TingTong. So hopefully this will just be a nice quick video just to show my face. Well, not my face, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm not doing too bad myself. So yeah, this will be the first thing I've picked for a long time. Got a little click already. Another little click. A bit of counter as well then. Let's see. Another little click. There we go. Lovely, lovely. So yeah, nice quick little pick. It's a real cool little lock. I'm definitely going to keep this one in my collection. I really like that. It's different for us to see the lock on the actual key on the going into the side of the lock. So yeah, pretty funky. Anyway, cheers for watching, and hope to be back soon. See you later.